One of the great aspects of Georgetown that I didn't appreciate when I was here, but I think a lot about now from the other side, is the service to a large community that it does. It's the Jesuit principles here of helping others. I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have the professional career I have. I wouldn't have the friends I have without my time here at Georgetown.
Georgetown was my top choice because I felt like to be a lawyer in the nation's capital was the place to be. It was where I was going to be able to do the most impactful work. Being a couple blocks away from the Supreme Court, that you can only really do here, and you could do externships that you can't do anywhere else either. So it just seemed like the natural choice and possibly the best choice possible for a young lawyer.
I feel like because of the size of the law school, there's so much opportunity for people of different interests to pursue what they pursued law school for.
I came to law school because I want to be an advocate and advisor in the tech law and policy space. My specialization is in the area of artificial intelligence and educational technology, so adding on a law degree was essential to be an effective leader in that space.
I knew Georgetown was the school I really wanted to go to, but the money aspect was definitely something that would have stopped me from going.
There's already so many pressures that go into being in law school without having to worry about the bill at the beginning or the end. So the fact that I got a scholarship, other than obviously being able to attend in general, just means I'm able to focus on the actual substance of my legal career.
Georgetown, among many other institutions, have all been communities that have given a lot to me. I'm someone who doesn't come from a lot of means, but have been fortunate to have a lot of support from institutions like Georgetown for my educational development. I clerked for Judge Tom Ambrose, who is double Georgetown, undergrad and law school, and his love for Georgetown has always engendered the same for me. The scholarship that we are sponsoring here is named for my judge. It's the Ambrose Polite Scholarship. My hope by sponsoring this scholarship that we have our best and brightest consider very similar careers in public interest.
My parents were not able to put me through college or through law school, so I put myself through both with, financial aid and scholarships. I was in my second year of law school when I got a call from my older brother, who was a third-year law student at Harvard, and he said, "I'm in the hospital. And it's HIV, it's AIDS." And I thought, I knew that my brother was gay, and I knew, but I had no idea that he had, that he was HIV positive until that phone call. I flew up to, Cambridge, and I spent the next 3 months, in the hospital with him. My brother died in that June, a couple days before he was due to graduate from law school. And so it was a very hard, difficult time for me, and just having the support of the Georgetown community was really important. So I decided to endow a scholarship in my brother's name at Georgetown. It's an incredible privilege to be a lawyer. I wanted to be one from the time I was, in high school. So I felt really proud that I was able to help somebody else also realize that dream.
In addition to allowing me to study law when I otherwise wouldn't have been able to, it's permitted me to really immerse myself in the Georgetown community. So I've been able to be a campus leader, a tutor, a student attorney, a research assistant, and I really appreciated the ability to focus primarily on that experience and continuing my research and scholarship.
It's definitely put my mind at ease, and I'm sure whoever else gets a scholarship like that, it definitely allows this person to continue on with their career or something that they're super passionate about.
I was first-generation family member to go to college, let alone law school. Georgetown had a scholarship that they made available to me for part of my education to bridge the gap. And there was very clearly a note written at the bottom of my scholarship award letter that said that while this is not a loan, we do expect you to find ways to repay this to the Georgetown community. And I remember reading that in 1995 or so and saying, yes, that is part of the deal.
Scholarships like these really create equity within the legal field. There's so many individuals who have the ability and the wherewithal to become lawyers, but not the means. I think it really does a fantastic job of allowing people of different walks of life to really pursue their dream of becoming a lawyer. And so, we really do thank you for it.
My hope with being so involved in law school is to continue to see more and more people that look like me, that have backgrounds like me, that have stories, that started off in community college like I did, and didn't even know or dream that they could be here one day, to then have those opportunities. So I want to say thank you, but I also want to say that it's inspiring me to be the future leader to continue this type of legacy work.